How are you feeling?
Not better.
Are you ready to order?
I'd like bread, please.
What would you like to drink?
A cup of tea, please.
How was the party?
I really enjoyed it.
Would you like chicken or vegetables?
I love chickens.
Did you save room for dessert?
Yes, please.
What do you think about this event?
I really like it.
Can I get you anything else?
No, thanks.
Are you here with anybody?
I came with my friend.
What's this?
This is a ring.
What is he like?
He is very smart.
Have you got a pet?
I've got a kitten.
What does she look like?
She's tall and fat with blue eyes.
Are you hungry?
I think not.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
How do you feel about him?
He is boring.
What are you planning for after work?
I am going on a trip.
What do you do every day?
I play volleyball.
Will you join me for coffee?
Sorry, I don't have time.
Are you free tomorrow?
Maybe, but I am not sure.
Could we have lunch together one day?
Sorry, I am busy.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to the police station.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, that would be nice.
How do you get to work?
By bus.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a few minutes.
Is it close to the subway station?
No, it's not.
Could you tell me how to get to the police station?
Take the first road on the left.
How long does it take?
It takes more than half an hour.
Excuse me. Is there a bank near here?
It's in the middle of the block.
Did you get my message?
Yeah, I got it.
What's the best way to the museum?
Turn right.
Would you like to leave a message?
Tell her to call me back.
What time does the meeting start?
It will start at 11 a.m.
How long have you been working here?
For 7 years.
Where's the counter, please?
It's over here.
Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, there it is.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course.
What's the purpose of your trip?
I'm on a tour.
Where are you going to be staying?
With my dad in the Mitsui Garden Hotel Chiba.
How long are you staying in Hotel Chiba?
About 1 month.
How much would you like?
I'd like half a kilo of chicken.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a bathroom. Can you offer me any discount?
Sorry, I can't offer you.
What times are you open?
We're open from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Would you like a receipt?
Yeah, thanks. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Have you ever been abroad?
I went to Germany last year for a business trip.
May I see your ID, please?
Yeah, sure.
What kind of room would you like?
I'd like a single room, please. Could I see the room?
Your room number is 201.